This is my first time here at Fall River, and I hope to be coming back more often. We do some more shows out here, and come to Boston and all that good stuff. Man, it's been a minute. So, with that being said, I know we can't, I wish I could do more songs, but I want to do one more song for y'all, if that's okay. This was a #1 record for me all across the world. It did wonders, and it changed my life. Many of these songs changed my life, but this one in particular, man. Where are all my sugars at? Well, I just hit me a lick. I got a fat stack in a super hot chicken. The ain't even you the same player. And she fly like a laser in the air. She move wrong, set the wrong tone. I'm digging the air to me and I'm loving her. So fly. Waiting to fall and take me some guy conversation. Cause I'm a natural dude. Blowing out by the pool, yeah. With blades and a rider, I could do it, combine a hydro and like a rider, got me lifted, shifted. You got me lifted, feeling so. Say what? Come on, folks. Well, we do what you need to. Girl, you keep it so fly, we just need on you. And say where the money gon' go. You know it's better when we ride, we'll take it wrong high. Doing what we do, what you need to. Girl, you keep it so fly, we just need on you. And say where the money gon' go. Here we go, y'all. You got me lifted, shifted, higher than the ceiling. It's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so. Sugar, how you get so fly? Let's go! Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, Fall River, thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. You got me lifted, shifted, higher than the ceiling. You got me lifted. Sugar, how you let's remix it. Fall River, how'd you get so fly? 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 God bless y'all, man. Thank y'all so much. My name is Frankie J, and I hope to see y'all again in the future. Thank y'all so much for the love, the opportunity. Try to stay dry, y'all. We'll see you guys soon. God bless.
Oh my God! Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly?
Give it up for Frankie J.
Give it up! Sugar, how you get so fly? Y'all know how I get fly.
So fly.
Okay, let me tell you how I get fly, right?
Okay.
I got the husband that buys me whatever I want, and that's why, sugar, how you get so fly?
You know what? I gotta say, this is such a cool moment for me because, again, I grew up with all these amazing, iconic artists like yourself.
Thank you,
And
baby.
it's a true honor for me to be here to share the stage with them and to just mingle with y'all. This is so cool for me. This is a dream come true. So thank you so much for inspiring
And you know
me.
I love you so much. I am his biggest fan. Y'all
We
know
go back
that.
like fat crayons, right?
You know, I make Latif sing that for me. Sing it, baby. Sugar, how you get so fly?
I don't say.
Sing it, baby.
Thank y'all so much. I see y'all.
Thanks, Frankie. Frankie J.
We love you, Frankie.
What we tell you, right? Was he dope or what? Was he dope? Really?
Oh, I love him
You know
so
what?
much, guys.
These are the type of acts we've been trying to get. You know, he's
On the
never-
East Coast,
Yeah,
right, baby?
He's up on the West Coast, and look how many of you guys know his music. Okay? So we want to bring him back. I love
And
Frankie.
you know
I want
what?
to bring him back.
They're incredible performers.
They're great. They're musicians.
You know, they're
talented.
musicians. They're artists. You understand?
And they're very
They
humble.
sing, they play artists, they play instruments.
Yep.
They rock the house,
And
baby.
they're very appreciative of their fans. And they've been
Absolutely.
doing this for a long time as well.
They've been doing this
So
for a
listen,
long time.
we're almost at the end of our show. We have one more act left. But before we go, let's go back a little bit.
Let's go back.
Let's give it up for George Anthony.
Hey, George Anthony, rock the house, baby. Yes,
How
he
about Tonasia?
did. My little brother rock the house, y'all.
Tony Moran.
Tony Moran, my homie,
I'm trying to
strong.
remember these guys. Shauna.
Ah, my baby girl. Y'all see, I have a relationship with everybody, right?
The
It's so
incredible,
crazy.
the incredible John Minnis.
Oh, all right, hold up. Y'all was like, oh shit, right? He was like, Diamond Girl, right?